Here's our last quick video on naming compounds. And this is rule number 3. It's the easiest rule. Now, we've previously said that rule number 1 is when we cross the stairs from a tall row, we just add item. Rule number 2, when we cross the stairs using a transition metal, we have to use the Roman numeral, all right? Rule number 3 are when all of the atoms come from over here. Now, H will be included like it's sitting right here. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 is when all of the atoms come from the right side of the stairs. Rule number 3 is about naming what we call molecules. It's about naming molecules, all right? It's about naming molecules. So rule number 3 is only about these guys up here to the right of the stairs, all right? Here is rule number 3. Use, nope, that's too hard. We're not going to use Roman numerals. Use numerical prefixes. So you won't have to ever figure out what the formula is. It'll always be given to you. And here are the numerical prefixes. Mono is 1. Di is 2. Tri is 3. These should all sound familiar to you. Tetra is 4. Like in Tetris, there's 4 blocks. Penta, like the pentagon, is 5. Hexa is 6. Hepta, you won't use much, but maybe, 7. And then octa, 8. All right? So this is how easy it is. Rule number 3 is use numerical prefixes. Okay? How about this? The name of this N2O2 is called dinitrogen dioxide. That's it. That's all there is to it. I mean, people, simple. How about this one? This one would be called dinitrogen mono or monoxide, okay? Because there's an implied 1 here. The only other thing you need to use about rule number 3, the last thing is a rule that you already know, and that is don't use mono first. In other words, if the first atom is single, you don't have to say mono. And here's something you know. What is the name of this gas that you exhale? That's right, that's carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. You don't say monocarbon dioxide. You don't use mono first. What's the name of this poisonous gas that comes out of your car? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. Don't use mono first. So I'll practice like 3 more with you. Ready? pH3. Phosphorus trihydride. P2H6. Diphosphorus hexahydride. How about one last one? Disulfur tetraiodide. These are very easy. Just use the prefixes. Exclamation point. All right.